how can you sign in to Wombo Dream? So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to sign in to your existing account in Wombo Dream, you just simply have to open the Wombo Dream application. And after opening the application, you will get to see the sign in button at the bottom. Just simply tap to sign in, and after that you can choose between email, Google and Apple in order to sign in with your account. Just simply choose the option which you have used into your account previously. I'm selecting Google in here, and after selecting any of those, you just simply have to choose the Google email or Apple account which you have used before. And this way you can very easily sign into your Wombo Dream account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.